it wants me to use order of operations to solve the following. So let's look at C. Okay, so with C, I have 10 take 20 divided by 2. Now, remember, my order of operations are, I'm going to use BIMDAS. Okay, so I do anything inside brackets, any indices, then I do multiplication and division from left to right, or any other multiplication division, and then I also have addition and subtraction. Okay, however you want to remember this, remember it, and it's okay. So out of this, what's the first thing that I'm going to do if I'm looking at my BIMDAS? Are there any brackets? Nope, so I don't have to worry about that. What's the first thing I'm then going to do? Okay, I'm going to do the division. I look for any multiplication or division that's there. I do this, because it reminds me I do that. So I then go, that's equal to 10 take, what's 20 divided by 2? 10. And then after that I do any addition or subtraction from left to right, which is 10 take 10, which is 0. Let's look here at F. Right, so with F, I have 1 times 8 take 2 times 3. Again, what do I do first here? I look for brackets. There's none. I do the 1 times 8. Ladies, there's no harm in doing that and breaking it down like that. Okay, you can put something over the top or do whatever you want. You can put a square around it if you want. Yeah, you can circle it. You can do anything you want. Bless you. Okay, so we have here 1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 3 is. Now I do any addition or subtraction. 8 take 6 is 2. Okay. And I simply do a similar thing here, but let's just have a look at L. So L is 300 take 100 times 4 divided by 4. Okay, now, let's think about rules. We look for brackets. Are there any brackets for me to worry about? No. What about then I do any multiplication or division I see? Now, there's multiplication and division there. So remember, what's our rule when we have multiplication and division? Left to right. Okay, so I have these joining here. So what one of these two am I going to do first? 100 times 4. I work from left to right. Okay, does everyone get that idea? Right, because I've basically got this to worry about. So what I do then is I have 300 take. Okay, so take 100 times 4. What's 100 times 4? 400. Divided by 4. So now that I'm down on this line here, what do I now look at for this line? I break it down into lines and bits and pieces. I look at my division here. So I do that now. 300 take, what's 400 divided by 4? And then I end up with addition or subtraction. 300 take 100 is 200. Okay, and so that's my answer there. Okay.